Today we are going to be doing a tutorial of purple and blue ombre on Chloe's hair. So what we are starting with is tinfoil sheets. We're using Manic Panic in ultraviolet and Manic Panic in shocking blue, and then 2 mixing bowls and a brush and some section clips, and then I'm going to take this beautiful cape and put it around her. You want to lift up your hair? Drop it. So we shall see how this goes. So we are going to section her hair, and I'm going to start with this under part first. I'm just going to mix the colors and then we will be right back. Okay, so I have the colors mixed and here we go. So I'm just going to start with a little section here, and it's already stained my hands. So we are going to let that sit for 30 minutes and see what happens.